In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Notion. Indenting in Notion is a fundamental skill that can significantly enhance your document organization, making your notes, plans, and projects far more structured and easy to navigate. Whether you're tidying up a nested list or ensuring that your ideas flow seamlessly in a Notion page, understanding how to properly indent is key. First, let's get familiar with the basic setup of Notion. Once you have your Notion page open on your screen, create a new block if necessary. This would typically be a list block if you're working with bullet points or a text block if you're writing structured paragraphs. Knowing how to create and manage blocks is essential as Notion's entire layout revolves around them. Next, to indent a block, simply click anywhere on the intended block to select it. In Notion, selecting an entire block rather than just the text inside is crucial as this affects how the indentation process will apply. Once you've selected your block, look for the little handle on the left side of the block. It looks like a 6-dot icon. Hovering over this icon will allow you to drag the block. This method gives you an intuitive way to organize your blocks by positioning them exactly where you need them, making it a breeze to create nested structures or adjust the hierarchy within your document. For keyboard lovers, here's an efficient shortcut. If you're using a Mac, press Command and the right bracket key to indent quickly. If you're on Windows, use Control and the right bracket key. This technique works perfectly with both bulleted and numbered lists, creating that neat hierarchy in just a second. If you ever need to outdent, simply use Command and the left bracket key for Mac or Control and the left bracket key for Windows. Now that you've learned how to navigate through blocks and use keyboard shortcuts effectively, let's tackle some practical tips. When you're working with complex data or creating a plan with multiple levels, consider using headings and subheadings to further enhance clarity. Notion allows these to be easily combined with indentation to create a structure that's both visually appealing and extremely functional. Another useful tip is to always keep your end goal or the final structure in mind as you indent. This avoids unnecessary adjustments later and keeps your document polished. If you ever feel stuck or think about reorganizing, Notion's drag and drop interface is incredibly forgiving, letting you experiment freely without the risk of permanently breaking your layout. To wrap up, mastering the art of indentation in Notion not only keeps your documents more organized but also makes sharing them with others a more pleasant experience. By using these simple techniques and shortcuts, you're well on your way to becoming a Notion pro. Keep experimenting and finding new ways to make your documents work for you. Until next time, happy note-taking.